We were doing the poem Wind. So we have done the question answers of the poem. Now it's time for being creative. So we'll be doing this weather report work given on page number 19. So read the newspaper and write the weather report for the day in your own words in the given box. Okay, so this is the format to write the weather report. You have to write the date, you have to write day, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, what is the time for sunrise, what is the time for sunset. Okay, then you have to write that whether the day is windy, yes or no. If you get to know any extra information for the day, then you can use these 3 lines for that. Otherwise, leave it. Okay. So for writing the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, time for sunrise, sunset, you need the newspaper, right? So because of the current situation, if newspapers are not available, then you have the weather report, weather icon on your phone also. So you can get the details from here for whatever day you are looking for. Still, if you don't find comfortable here using your phone, then you can Google out the information. Okay, so write weather report in Google and you will get here the details for all the days. You can select any day and you can write. Still, if you don't get all the options in the first go down, open any and you will get all the details, whatever details you are looking for. See, clear or maximum temperature, minimum temperature, everything you will get. Okay, there are many options. You can just find it out, right? So you would love to do this work. Okay, come on, be creative, do it fast. Okay, you have to do it now. Do neat and clean work. Enjoy writing the weather report. Okay, after that, again it's the activity time. After writing the weather report, another activity on hand. Since we have done the poem Wind, so you know about the poem. The poet used to wonder about wind. कि wind क्या है? Wind man, animal है, beast है, wind thing है. What is wind? वो दिखती नहीं है, सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं उसको. तो for poet, wind was like a magic. उसको लगता था है क्या ये wind? Poet had so many questions in his mind. So आपके भी माइंड में कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते होंगे कुछ चीज़ों को लेके. आप भी कुछ चीज़ों को लेके वंडर करते होगे. तो आपको आज यू हैव टू यूज़ योर ब्रेन्स. ओके, और ये सोचो कि आप किस चीज़ के बारे में वंडर करते हो. आप किस चीज़ के बारे में ये सोचते हो कि ऐसा क्यों है ये. सो टुडेज एक्टिविटी इज़ write any 3 things you wonder about. Okay, so this is your work for the day. The second work, you have to do it fast. Don't copy mine, okay, because I have earlier also I have given you a few examples. Again I'll give you, as if you must wonder, you all the kids, when I was also a kid, I also used to wonder that why do stars shine at night. So how can birds fly? Why can't we fly? There are many more things you must be wondering about. Why do humans have only 2 legs? Why not 4 legs like animals have? So there are many more things. The list is unending. ये आपकी सोच पे है, आपकी इमेजिनेशन पे है. आप क्या सोचते हो, right? सो आपको सोच के लिखना है. यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव. डोंट कॉपी इट डाउन. थिंक ऑन योर ओन एंड आप सोचो कि आप किस चीज़ के लिए वंडर करते हो, कौन सी चीज़ आपको हैरान करती है, आप सोचते हो कि ऐसा क्यों होता है. सो यू हैव टू राइट दैट. ओके. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन. स्टे सेफ.